When I think about the way we used.
Wherever you are in the world, if you're watching this, hello, it's Febz. Today I am back with another new video. Well, we're gonna be playing with our lips today. I've had this for such a long time and I didn't even bother reviewing it at all. So the product that we're gonna be playing with today is the Bubzbeauty lip kit in collaboration with IGXO Cosmetics. Bubzbeauty have been my longtime inspiration. She's one of the inspiration as to why I'm doing YouTube to this day. Let us start reviewing Bubzbeauty's lip kit. I will have the link of the website below in my description box so you can check how much the price is and more information about this product. So this is the first thing you see. It's plain outside. It says Bubzbeauty lip kit. It includes one lip liner and one lip gloss. Plain white on the outside, and then ooh, this is the packaging. Can we just talk about how dreamy this packaging is? This is so beautiful. I don't think I'll ever throw this away because this is just such a beautiful packaging, and I just love it because it's a watercolor with pink and blue. So I feel like this is such a bulky packaging. This only contains 2 thin items inside, and it is so unnecessary to have such bulky packaging. Yeah, on the other hand, it's so beautiful. I will keep it. It says at the back here that it is cruelty free and vegans. It is not tested on animals, which is good because we love our animals. Everything is white. The color of the lip products really shows and it really pops out. And I love how it has a mirror right here. The mirror is quite fuzzy. On close-up it looks fine, but when you bring the mirror further away from my face and I look at it, it starts to look really fuzzy. I would say that this mirror is only for close-up looks, so that's a pretty big mirror actually, so that's really good. And these are the 2 products that is in here. I also love the packaging of this because a lot of the lip glosses, liquid lipsticks has the same packaging nowadays like this, but usually they would have black lid. Bubzbeauty decided to have some watercolors going on top of this. She's just so creative. It feels so heavy, so you would know that this is definitely glass or it has a lot of product inside. The lip liner also has the watercoloring on this part here and has a white lid. Who thinks about that? Cute. And I love how it says Bubzbeauty and it shows the color right here. And what I love about this is that you can twist it at the bottom here and the product comes out. And that's what I love about this, because at least I don't ever have to sharpen it, and I don't like sharpening lip liners. I just hate it. So let's swatch the color. I am gonna start with the shade Unstoppable. So the Unstoppable has orangey peachy tone to it, so it's pretty bright in my opinion. Such a beautiful color. So, and then let's swatch lip gloss. Is this a lip gloss? Is it really a lip gloss? Yeah, it's definitely a lip gloss. It doesn't look like a lip gloss at all. It looks like it's a liquid lipstick because of the texture. It has a weird scent to it. It's not bad, but it smells like plastic. Very easy to apply, first of all. It glides on super smooth. It's not too smooth, but it's not the hardest lip liner. Oh, and this is a beautiful color. It is super pigmented. It is not drying at all. I feel like the color really complements my skin. Let us put on the lip gloss on top of it. And again, this one is also super pigmented. And it doesn't feel like lip gloss. It feels like a liquid lipstick. Girl Next Door. Really pinky tone to it. It's pretty light. Yeah, it's definitely quite light. Oh my god, I broke it. This is perfect for every day. It looks really natural on me. Let's put on the lip gloss on top of it. Okay, the lip gloss is a bit much paler than the lip liner. Kind of feel like the lip gloss ruined the color of the lip liner. I would say I prefer the Unstoppable one because that one, I feel like it really complements my skin. Quite difficult for me to say that it caters only Asian skin as far as what I've seen on the comments on her video. I don't think it caters only for Asian skin, because we all have different skin tones. It would probably suit other skin tones. Doesn't matter, girl. If you like the color, then wear it with confidence, you know. I have been wearing this lipstick for about 5 hours now, and it still looks like this. And mind you, I was eating earlier, and also I brushed my teeth, and this is what's left of the lipstick, and I think it looks pretty good. My lipstick is still there. I really like it. It's quite long lasting too. It doesn't feel dry at all. My lips is just very cracky. That is the video for today. Make sure to subscribe if you still haven't subscribed, and also thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Free pass, oh.